Hey guys, what's up? Got another quick video coming to you guys today. So I got some new leather in from District Leather Supply. This is Wickett and Craig Buck Brown harness, but it's unglazed. So it doesn't have that kind of shiny jack glaze finish on it that it normally has. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and kind of first impressions video. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so far it looks great. Alright. Alright. It smells great. Let's give y'all a little view of it. Alright, wow. Looks awesome. It's got a lot of color variation on it. It looks so good. A lot of spotting and stuff. This leather is just absolutely incredible to work with. So I was super excited to be able to get some from District Leather Supply. Like I said, this came from Wickett and Craig, which is a tannery up in Pennsylvania here in the United States. This is a full grain vegetable tanned leather. It's about 4 ounces thick or so. Probably 3 to 4 ounces, but as you can see, there's just a lot of color variation and it looks just absolutely incredible. So much character on it. Just super excited to be able to make some wallets and stuff out of this. This is going to be absolutely fantastic. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you like this. I'll add another shot of the full thing rolled out on the floor here to the end of the video, but thank you so much for joining. Thanks to Bill and the guys out of District Leather Supply for getting this to me so quickly. It is fantastic. Can't wait to make some stuff out of it, and yeah, thanks for watching today, guys, and I'll catch you soon.